Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help with the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Before I begin, guys, I just want to say the disclaimer: anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I'm not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, guys, you guys can see we are currently sitting at $2.3 trillion, up 2.2% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance, on the other hand, is currently sitting at 38.9%. Just as I projected yesterday, guys, I did say the next 24 to 48 hours could be very, very important for the price of Bitcoin. And we have seen Bitcoin break out towards the upside. And we are seeing altcoins reacting with the overall Bitcoin momentum. Continuous green once again in the markets, guys. Markets are looking extremely, extremely bullish. And I think we are going to see continuous pattern towards the upside. As I mentioned in my previous videos, we did see a small consolidation the past 3 days ago after having a massive upwards trend over the last 2 weeks. So, a correction is very much needed after having a major move towards the upside. And I really do believe this time around we are going to continue that pattern towards the upside. But today, I want to talk about none other than one project that we absolutely love on our channel, and that's none other than Cardano. All right, my ADA family, if we are looking at the price of Cardano right now, we are currently sitting at $1.20, up 2.7% in the last 24 hours in the USD comparative. We're also up 0.2% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. Cardano's current rank in the cryptocurrency market ranking is at the top 9 spot with a market cap of $38.4 billion and the 24-hour trading volume of $861.7 million. One thing to point out for you guys right now is that the 24-hour trading volume compared to other days is quite low, but I do see this number organically going up as we see the price of Cardano along with the entire market go towards the upside. Zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, guys, in just the last year alone, Cardano is still up 0.7%. Nothing crazy if we're looking at the 1-year chart, but if we're looking at from 2020 lows, guys, Cardano is up a lot. But let's look at the shorter time frame. In just the last 14 days, so just the last 2 weeks, we have seen Cardano climb up about 33%, and we will definitely take that. But now let's get right into the exciting stuff, the price, what's happening, and where could we be going in the immediate short term. So right off the bat, guys, we're still hovering in the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level, and we have not seen the price of Cardano break out of this range because you guys can see we have been chilling around this zone for quite some time. To be exact, we have been hanging around this zone since January 21st, 2021, so of this year. And we never managed to break back into 61.8. We did break out of this level of resistance, which is at that $1.06 mark. We managed to break above here, but not able to break out of this 78.6 and enter the 61.8. But this time around, guys, things could be looking different. Maybe in the next 24 hours, we could see the price go back into the 61.8 zone. We did see the price of Cardano go up from literally the 77.8 cents all the way up to $1.24, guys. If I'm give you guys a better, closer look, if you guys were buying up Cardano around, March 14th, keep in mind, this is when there was major fear across the board. A lot of bloodbath within the markets. People were losing hope. But obviously the Cardano community, the people that really do believe in the project itself, were accumulating dollar cost averaging in. But if you bought back around here, guys, you guys are already up 51.83%. And that's something very, very nice to note. And right now, guys, we are forming another green candle. So could this be the time where we really entered the 61.8 for the first time ever since the beginning of this year and really start heading towards this major level of resistance that has been quite hard for the price of Cardano to break above, which is at the $1.50 mark. That could definitely be in play right now, because if we are going on Bitcoin right now, guys, Bitcoin is seeing a beautiful bounce towards the upside, and maybe, who knows, we could even be testing our confirmation level 1, which is at that $52,200 mark, which is where I personally believe that the bottom is 100% in. Until then, I am still looking, I'm quite bullish. If you ask me, hey, Crypto ZX, what is your stance on the market? It's very, very bullish. As long as we stay above this level of resistance, I'm extremely bullish. But if we're below this level of resistance support now, which we can call it at that $46,200 mark, then we could be having a total different conversation. But you can see we are seeing Bitcoin try to break out towards the upside. There's a lot of massive news coming for the cryptocurrency space, and this year could be very, very big. So keeping Bitcoin price in consideration, along with BTC dominance that has been declining, we could possibly see Cardano break out. But one thing to point out right now for you guys for the immediate short term is that the 24-hour volume for the price of Cardano is not quite high right now, and we do need more buying pressure coming in for us to see a breakout towards the upside. But patience is very much needed within this market, as I have always told you guys, because in this market, in order to win, guys, patience is very much needed. And not only patience, you need to do your due diligence, research, and invest where you can afford to lose. As long as you've done that, guys, you already know patience will be your number one best friend, literally, in this market. Because let's just look at it from this point of view. Imagine when there was major fear across the board, and some people, definitely there are some people that panic sold. Again, guys, cryptocurrencies are super volatile, and we could see the price spike, and a couple months later we could see a drop down. But if you believe in the vision of the coin, you really have done your due diligence and really believe in the project, then you just want to have strong hands, because the whales will try to manipulate the weak hands and try to shake them out so they can be scooping up cryptocurrencies at lower cost. You do not want to be those people when it comes down to that. And also, one thing that is playing in favor for Cardano, which I cannot stress enough, is that Cardano's circulation supply, guys, 75% of the circulation supply. So let me give it a better picture. So right now there's 32 billion Cardano in circulation. 32 billion, 32.06 billion. So out of this number, these are the coins that are in circulation right now. So out of this number, 75% of that is staked. People are staking and earning passive income because they believe Cardano long haul is going to be way higher compared to where it's at right now. And as I have mentioned, I do see Cardano, and along with Solana, being the biggest Ethereum competitors that we have seen in the markets. And I'm sorry, guys, I apologize. Not Cardano that we're talking. I said 75 because I saw Solana. Cardano is at 72% circulation supply. Again, not much of a difference. I was looking at Solana. My apologies. But again, same picture. 72% of its circulation supply is not available to be purchased on the exchanges, which creates supply shock when the demand kicks in. So let me just put that into perspective. Let's say right now we don't have much demand coming in because we don't have enough buying pressure. But once that comes in, and there's only about 27% of the supply available to be purchased, guess what happens to the price, guys? It skyrockets. It moves up very, very fast. Coins like these recover way faster compared to other coins that don't have proof of stake consensus. So we need to keep that factor into mind. I'm a huge believer on Cardano. I believe it's here to stay. And, the institution interest along with major retail interest should not be coming as a surprise to any one of us. But that is it for today's update, guys. Let me know in the comment section below where you could see the price of Cardano go at the end of this year, and let me know what your strategy is right now, and how you believe this year is going to end within the overall crypto market and momentum. And do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. That's literally all I ask for, and that would mean the world to me. I love each and every one of you guys. Thank you so much for all the support that you guys show me. Keep supporting me, and I'll keep on bringing these videos for you guys. I love you all. I'll see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX.